What does poverty sound like? Like the sound water makes when I'm walking. Or the sound that my friends make when they are working in their fields. Everyone makes their own sound. And when we all come together, it's the sound of my home. But it makes me wonder, what does hope sound like? With a simple click, you can change our song into something more. With every click you make, Join My Village donates resources that make a difference by sending girls to school, training health workers, and helping villages save money. With your help, we can silence the sounds of poverty and play the song of progress. All with just a simple Visit joinmyvillage.com to learn more.